Danke bafethu. So indaba eziphuma laphana ku-Orlando Pirates ukuthi istriker sabo Evidence Mahopa sesayine i-long term deal ne-Orlando Pirates, kusho ukuthi i-contract yakhe uyirenewile because Evidence Mahopa ne-Orlando Pirates contract yakhe beyiphela manje end of June yabo, but Orlando Pirates beyine-option ye-2 years ukuthi i-renewe automatic yabo, but-ke sokuveziwe noma sokuvelile ukuthi Orlando Pirates i-renewile i-contract ka-Evidence Mahopa, okusho ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates isamdinga ngempela u-Evidence Mahopa nanokuthi bambona as most important players ethimini ye-Orlando Pirates. Sikhumbule ukuthi u-Evidence Mahopa une-experience laphana kuBafana Bafana kwa-AFCON kule team lena ewine i-gold noma i-third place which is i-bronze medal, beka one of the most influential players laphana e-Africa ngoba kufuneka ifiziki ngempela modlala namanye ama-African countries, and no-Evidence Mahopa be-eda lokho kuBafana Bafana yabo. I-contribution yakhe vele beyi-highly contribute kakhulu umfana, futhi kuma-game amakhulu yawashaya ama-goals u-Evidence Mahopa yabona makudlalwa Kaizer Chiefs nje back to back amaviki alandelana. First ku-Betway Premiership and then the following week ku-Nedbank Cup walishaya igoli, but unfortunately Orlando Pirates ayikwazanga ukuwina, but u-Evidence Mahopa bamthandela ukuthi uyi-hard worker laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Isikhathi esiningi ama-fans ayamcriticize ukuthi akekho good enough, akanalo equality, but baphinde bamhloniphe kakhulu ngokuthi uyi-hard worker, bayawubona umsebenzi wakhe because u-Evidence Mahopa uyambona nalapha emuva assist amakhona ome emalayinini akhipha ibhola, uyadefenda ngempela. So overall igame yakhe yayi-striker ongazithemba ngempela, ongabhilivela kuso ukuthi sizokwazi ngempela uku-adda something to the team in terms of i-contribution as a whole, but ukushawa kwamagoli overall like on average ngeke umthembe u-Evidence Mahopa ngamagoli yabo ngamagoli ngeke umthembe, but in terms of i-contribution yakhe overall as i-hard worker uyasebenza ngempela yena egroundini yabo, futhi uyazimisela megqoka ijezi le-Orlando Pirates. But-ke equality, I don't think u-Evidence Mahopa i-quality enough. Yes, uyi-hard worker, but in terms of i-striker, because i-striker kufuneka amagoli bafowethu, but-ke i-modern football, angisho kuthiwa i-modern football manje kune-striker ezi-different, ma uthole ucoach okwaziyo ukusebenzisa wena as i-striker. If u-Evidence Mahopa i-next coach ye-Orlando Pirates imfuna as i-target man, kusho ukuthi u-Evidence Mahopa mhlawumbe angastruggle ngempela because into efunekayo from i-striker amagoli bafowethu ukuthi ashawe ngempela yabo. But-ke yeah, good for Orlando Pirates and ilokhu njani Evidence Mahopa ukuthi bayi-renew i-contract yakhe, but asikhulumeni ngokuthi yisiphi isizathu esikhulu sokuthi Orlando Pirates i-renew Evidence Mahopa's contract. So Evidence Mahopa kune-interest from yena, kwakune-interest noma isasekhona interest yama-teams from eDenmark nakuma-Israel, so few European countries babembhekile umfana ukuthi bangam-add emathimini wabo yabo, but-ke i-deal azange i-materialize noma zange ihlangane kahle, asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Even i-performance yakhe laphana yaku-CAF yaku-AFCON laphana e-Ivory Coast noma ngithe e-Cote d'Ivoire, wabonwa ama-scout amaningi ukuthi okay uyi-striker eside esikwaziyo ngempela ukucontribute egamini. Uma ubheka i-game model ka-Evidence Mahopa ungamfanisa no-Giroud, because no-Giroud lo wase-France mkhulu ngomzimba, uyawalwisa ama-defender. Goal scoring record-ke ka-Giroud just ukuthi good, but-ke khona nala ngekho good enough khona kwezinye kwamanye ama-department, but as a player as a whole nje uyakwazi ukucontribute ngempela ethimini. So i-Orlando Pirates isayinisa u-Evidence Mahopa because bayazi ukuthi ikhona i-chance ukuthi ngoba Evidence Mahopa usemncane, ikhona i-chance ukuthi aye kwamanye ama-teams noma bamthenge, and then Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukwenza imali yabo back. Njengoba u-Evidence Mahopa Bafana International, maningi ama-team angambheka ukuthi ngempela ekugcineni agcine amsayinile umfana yabo. So yeah, congratulations to Evidence Mahopa ne-Orlando Pirates ukuthi bakwazi ukureacha i-deal. Asazi ukuthi ngempela lo coach ozayo uzokwazi ukudlalisa u-Evidence Mahopa noma uzodimandani from i-strikers zaku-Orlando Pirates. So akusiwo u-Evidence Mahopa kuphela i-striker saku-Orlando Pirates, khona noMabasa, but-ke in recent weeks or months uMabasa akasadlali, kupreferwa u-Evidence Mahopa kakhulu yabo, cause uMabasa uney'nkinga zakhe ezinye ze-Orlando Pirates because naye bam-offer i-contract but akakayisayini i-contract yakhe ne-Orlando Pirates. So sobona indaba njengoba zidevelopha ukuthi i-team as a whole ku-Orlando Pirates bazo-add baphi, bazohambisa baphi. Danko bafowethu.